Y'all remember those unions from 2018? The two in the legendary colorways? Well, now it's back in the Shadow Chicago. Is this the best of all three? And better yet, how do they photo? We about to find out. Part of my messy ass studio. All right, cool. This works great. What I would love to do is be able to incorporate the other laces that come with the union into a shot like this. We'll see how that works out. But right now, what I'm trying to do is work with these laces here. So that are on the actual sneaker. Very happy to have this in my fucking collection. All right, so I usually don't shoot in this direction, but for this vlog style shoot, I will. So let's mess around. You guys are seeing I have an idea of what I want to do, but it's not all planned out. So we're just gonna go freestyle and flow. I like to use stop motion arms in my shoots. So we're just gonna sit here and build. I'll try to talk to you guys while I'm doing all this stuff. Right now, I have pieces of tape that are like all over the shoe. So if I need the shoelace to hold a certain position, I can do that with it. So I somewhat have a nice little flow of what I want. It looks okay. It could be a bit better in my opinion. This sneaker looks absolutely amazing. I love the vintage look. They nailed it. I missed that on the other unions. Let's go here with it. I'm not gonna get all the laces in, but some of these laces it'd be great to add in. You know what? Maybe we keep it a little close so you guys can see what I'm doing a bit better. What I will do is also manipulate the light a little bit. I like what I'm seeing so far. I'm gonna take a couple shots here. I don't know if I want to cast the shadow that way because I'd rather it be, maybe if I angle it this way. I think this angle is the best angle, to be honest with you. The way it's hitting that shoe and the shadows that it creates with the laces. Let's see. Sneaker looks a little flat. If I raise it, let's try that. Let's try raising it up a bit. Oh, let's grab a prop. An old Easter egg shell. So I'm gonna grab it. Trying to find a different way to get these laces to flow on this shoe. I actually kind of like the way that looks. I'm gonna zoom in on the shot a little bit. Kind of like this angle that I'm shooting at. It really gives it that effect that the laces are wrapping around the shoe. Let me see what I do if I move the light a little bit. Does it help that effect? Does it make it worse? Let's go a little higher. Raise this heel a little higher. A little higher. Kind of make that shoe feel a little three-dimensional. Let me try something. Let's try another angle. So this is going to be my flat lay shot. I like it. You just never know which one you're going to fall in love with during editing. Come back, take more shots, sit and edit. This is the best shot here. The best angle for something like this. I'll take that shot. All right. I can take some up close detail shots now that I have the 90. So we're just gonna zoom in again so you can get a close look at that final shot that I took. All right, that's my flat lay shot for right now. This is the one I like. We might be able to do some better ones, but it's a long process, y'all. All right, so there's some things that I want to make. I want to make some changes to this shot. I feel that the yellow's overpowering, and what I'm probably going to do is I'm gonna raise this part up higher, and I want to get the sneaker tilted in this position more than the other. I had the heel up. I think the shot will work better if the neck of the sneaker is up, which kind of pulls away the overpowering of this yellow lace. I don't want to remove the lace completely, but not all, a lot of it doesn't need to show. So realistically, doesn't need. I don't want the yellow lace to. It's again, it was just too heavy on this side, so I want less of it to show, in a sense. I still like the yellow lace feature. It just doesn't need to. I don't want it to dominate the shot. Listening to some Seth Fowler right now. Need another stop motion arm. Two more would be great, but these things are expensive. So I think I positioned the shoe just fine just now. Like the yellow lace not being so overpowering in the shot. That's exactly what I was trying not to do. I just wanted to balance it out. The way I had it before was really overpowering. And the shot that I did prior kind of was like not really. But this is also what I'm going to do. So I have these white cards, bounce cards. I don't want the shadow of the shoe to be too heavy. Let me see something. If I take the light, go this way, soften that light a little bit. I like that better, in my opinion. But I think I still could balance this light out a bit. All right. So this is what I did with the shot here. I'm going to use my 90 again. I like the way it looks. Hopefully you guys like the way it looks. You can take a whole look at the whole entire setup. All right. So let's take the shot. I think that is beautiful. I am happy with this shot completely. Hell yeah. Super proud of this shot. All right. I want to accentuate this wrapping effect of this bottom black lace. Who the hell's calling me? Hold on 1 second, y'all. Yo, what are you bothering me for? What are you bothering me for? Hello? You're right. Alright. Part of my process is being on the phone with my friend because I get some of the best shots when she's on the phone with me. You know what? I think this works good. I think this accentuates it nicely. Oh my god, that might be better. That actually might be better. Alright. Alright. Here we go. Alright, here we go. So I'm gonna give you a little zoom in before I take the shot. Yeah, this is yeah, I'm very proud of us. We're doing all this shit. Alright, let's get ready to take the shot. So I have my bounce card to just explain the shot before I take it. I have my bounce card here. I don't want my shadow to be too deep, right? So I repositioned the lace because in the other shot, it was just too heavy and dominating the picture, so the composition was off. This is a high effort shot, but I think it's going to come out the way I want it. Oh, I accentuated, created more of a wrapping effect here. So it looks like it's wrapping around the shoe, and I moved it off of the shoe because I actually want to see the whole sneaker and the details and the artwork. Most of this stuff I'm going to take out in post. This shot is ready to fucking go. It is fire. I'm happy with it. Boom. I'm going to take the shot in a couple of different settings. My camera settings, switch it up. Because sometimes it could look like shit. We don't want that. Fire, 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 fire shot. This is beautiful. Hold on. I am going to take a couple, lowering my f-stop a bit. Just a little bit. Brightens up the shot. I know it's going to be clean and clear. Boom. Give me one more. There we go. So a lot of the times what ends up happening is that I don't have an idea for a shot. I start building a shot, especially when it's going to be my first of the day. I start building a shot, and it's freestyle, and it comes together as you go. This shot alone, it took me just this one shot. I was messing around with it for about 3 hours. So it's high effort. It takes a lot of work. So you really gotta love this if you're gonna do it. All right, time for me to pull this shot off the camera, and we're gonna move on to the next one. And that's a wrap for this shoot. That's one of my fundamental shots. It's called a flat lay. It took me a long time to get to what I like, but that's just part of the process. If you like content like this, go ahead and leave a comment and subscribe. Until the next one, and I'm out.